Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top New Collection Electric Welding Machine Reviews 2025.
Number 4.
The Heltec Portable Battery Spot Welder offers powerful options in 12 kW, 21 kW, 36 kW, and 42 kW models. Using advanced capacitor storage technology, it delivers stable, precise, and efficient point welding for automotive and battery applications. Compact and durable, it's an essential tool for workshops, repair centers, and professional welding tasks.
Number 3.
The electric welding machine is a professional-grade tool designed for both workshop and household use. Compact and efficient, it delivers stable arc performance for reliable metal welding. Equipped with durable welder accessories, it ensures easy operation, versatility, and safety, making it an ideal choice for beginners and professionals alike.
Number 2.
The Svogen MIG 203-in-1 welding machine is a versatile IGBT inverter welder supporting gasless MIG, MMA, and lift TIG functions. With synergy technology for easy setup, it ensures stable performance and smooth welding. Compact yet powerful, this semi-automatic welder is perfect for professionals and DIY projects in metal fabrication.
Number 1.
The CNC Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter HC8000 delivers 80 amps of powerful cutting performance with advanced blowback non-HF technology for safer, cleaner operation. Equipped with a digital display and THC torch height control, it ensures precision and efficiency. Ideal for metal fabrication, workshops, and CNC applications, providing smooth, reliable cutting results.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.